Well, good morning and welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. This morning we put into the port of Lisbon, Portugal, got on a bus and drove to Pinta? Oh no, we drove to Sintra and we were at the Pena castle. That's what we're at. Too many cities to keep things straight. So anyway, we're going to go through the royal palace here in just a minute, and should be interesting. It's not like we haven't been through a palace before, but what the heck. I'm calling this the ecliptic castle because there's Arab, Indian, German, some Renaissance, a little bit of everything in the architecture. The first thing you notice about the Pena Palace is the color. The bright yellow, the bright red, the white, the blue ceramic tiles, and the black and gray, which is actually kind of turning purple. This area is one of the 7 wonders of Portugal, and it's a very stunning palace. The insides is everything you expect of a palace. The palace's history started in the Middle Ages when a chapel dedicated to Our Lady of Pena was built on top of the hill above Sintra. According to tradition, the construction occurred after an apparition of the Virgin Mary. In 1493, John II, accompanied by his wife, made a pilgrimage to the site to fulfill a vow. His successor, Manuel I, was also very fond of this sanctuary and ordered the construction of a monastery on the site, which was donated to the Order of St. Jerome. And for centuries, Pena was a small, quiet place for meditation, housing a maximum of 18 monks. An earthquake in 1755 destroyed the monastery, but the chapel maintained was not significantly damaged. But it remained untouched until Prince Ferdinand in 1838 decided to acquire the old monastery and all the surrounding lands, and he built the castle. And it kind of stayed within the family, passed back and forth. And after it was purchased in 1889 by the Portuguese state after the Republican Revolution of 1910, sorry. This was the stag room, had mounts of many European stags. Not quite sure who bagged them, but they're there and they're nice to see. But in my estimation, the real beauty and interesting part of this castle is the outside and the colors. Just breathtaking. Over the main gate to the palace is this depiction of a mythological Triton, symbolizing the allegory of creation of the world. It is quite a strange little character, and I'm not quite sure if he's part fish or what, but he would certainly worry somebody who had a little bit of wild imagination in their heads as they walk through the gate. The Palace Pena was an interesting place to visit, and like I said, the real true beauty of this was the outside. And here we got Laura. She found a good viewpoint and wanted me to take her picture. After checking out the Pena Palace, we headed back to Lisbon. Again, that's a beautiful city with lots of things to see and to do, lots of very interesting artwork and sculptures, and the architecture on some of the cathedrals was extremely impressive. If you liked our video, please hit the like button. and subscribe to our channel, Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.